Lalduawma to subscribe the oath of office and secrecy. With your permission, sir, I request Pu Lalduawma to subscribe the oath of office.
I,
Lalduawma, do solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, that I will faithfully and conscientiously discharge my duties as a Chief Minister for the state of Mizoram, and that I will do right to all manner of people in accordance with the Constitution and the law, without fear or favor, affection or ill will.
Lalduawma chu tuna khan Chief Minister Turin rinom la thu Tiam tiralaku anita kan huang hian he lak luna in khom hi Dr. Rinu Sharma IS Chief Secretary na kai shuai me kani.
With your permission, sir, I request Pu Lalduawma to subscribe the oath of secrecy.
I,
Lalduawma, do solemnly affirm that I will not directly or indirectly communicate or reveal to any person or persons any matter which shall be brought under my consideration or shall become known to me as a Chief Minister for the state of Mizoram, except as may be required for the due discharge of my duties as such minister.
congratulations. Wish you all the best.
With your permission, sir, proceedings for swearing in of cabinet ministers may now begin. With your permission, sir, the order issued by the Governor of Mizoram may now be read. Order number PB CON 22 2023 dated 7th December 2023. In exercise of the powers vested in me by Clause 1 of Article 164 of the Constitution of India, I, Dr. Haribabu Kambhampati, Governor of Mizoram, on the advice of the Chief Minister of Mizoram, hereby appoint the following persons as Cabinet Ministers in the Council of Ministers of Mizoram. Cabinet Ministers: 1. Pu K. Sabdanga. 2. Pu Wanlal Halana. 3. Pu C. Lal Soy Wunga. 4. Pu Lalthan Sanga. 5. Dr. Wanlal Thlana. 6. Pu P.C. Wanlal Ruata. 7. P. Lal Rin Pui. With your permission, sir, oath of office and secrecy may now be administered to the Cabinet Minister.